Hey guys, please subscribe my channel Bhavya Glam Girl and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update from Bhavya Glam Girl.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bhavya Glam Girl and you're watching me Bhavya.
So guys, in today's video I will be telling you about best beauty tips to follow in this summers. Summers are here and how. Before you dream of pleasant warm mornings and beach holidays, think of the horror in store or for your skin. Yes, the summer heat can wreak havoc on your skin, leading to dark spots, pigmentation, wrinkles and tanning. Luckily for you, we have some expert tips on beating the heat this summer and staying beautiful. So here are some tips on skincare, hair care, makeup and other beauty tips to follow in summers. Number 1 is Moisturize. Moisturize is absolutely essential. Simply moisturize, there are no two ways about it. You may think that winters are over and skip that part of your regimen, but no, not happening. The problem with summers is the extreme heat that dehydrates your body and makes your skin dry. Dry skin is prone to damage and dullness, and you need to butter it up to make up for the moisture loss. The moisturizer acts as a barrier for pollutants, bacteria and sunburn. So you have to choose a non-greasy gel water-based moisturizer that contains vitamin E and slather it every day on your skin to keep it moisturized and supple. Number 2 is Exfoliate. For any treatment or cream to work on your skin, it needs to be clean. For that, you need to exfoliate at regular intervals to slow away the accumulated dead skin cells that are clogging your pores and forming a layer on your skin. So exfoliation also makes your face a better canvas to apply makeup on. Make sure you alternate between homemade and market-bought exfoliators to maintain a balance. Also, do not exfoliate every day because that can cause over-scrubbing of the skin and lead to redness, rashes and breakouts. So exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week using a circulatory motion, preferably in the evenings and not right before you go for a swim or out in the sun. Number 3 is drink up. Yes, drink up and loosen up. We mean water, lots of it. The problem with summer is it makes you sweat a lot, making yourself lose water quickly. To maintain moisture levels in your body and not feel weak or faint due to dehydration, you need to keep a check on your drinking water game and get it right. So ideally, you have to drink at least 8 or 10 glasses of water every day and include lots of fresh juices and fruits with high water content in your diet. Number 4, use sunscreen. Do you step out in the sun without wearing a sunscreen? You should not, because it is a necessary step you need to follow in summer and every other season to protect your skin. So protect your skin with sunscreen before it gets damaged by the sun, because let me remind you, prevention is better than cure. Sun rays are a cause for many skin issues such as dry skin, brown spots and fine lines. So choose a sunscreen with SPF 30 at least and apply it generously on your skin. Reapply it every few hours. Number 5. Tack up on aloe vera. Aloe vera comes to the rescue for a lot of skin problems. During summer especially, it turns into a soothing balm, cooling off your skin after a long day in the sun. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and moisturizing. It calms the skin and nourishes it intensely. It also contains antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. Either you pluck fresh aloe vera and scoop the gel from the leaf to apply it to your skin, or you can choose from the many aloe vera products available in the market. So guys, in today's video we get to know about best beauty tips that you have to follow in this summer.
If you liked today's video, then give me a huge thumbs up and you can comment me below for your further beauty queries. And if you have not subscribed to my channel Bhavya Glam Girl yet, then do subscribe it now. Till then, stay happy and stay beautiful with me. Bye.